So I'm checking the purge valve right now to see the leak. So I'm pumping air into it. So right now there's no leak at all. So it's releasing the air smoke back out, so there's no leak. I'm working on a Jeep right now. It has the evap leak code. I'm changing out the leak detection pump. Here's the old one. I took it out. And it's right here under the car where the canister is. This one right here. The pump right here. What you do is pinch this little lock right here and twist it. There's a connector right here. Make sure you put it back in the right position, so that way this little thing right here, the valve in here, it moves up and down. And if you put it upside down, it's gonna block the flow, and it's gonna give you a code. So make sure you put it in the right direction. And there's an O-ring to it too. 3.8. Right there, that's the code. I'm gonna clear it now. Should be okay now.